that it has a different door panel than my truck had. Yeah, it's got a different door panel because I still have it. So when you sell a vehicle, don't be a bag and lie about everything. Believe it or not, it's actually finally time to put the front end back together on the 94. Fenders, hood, get the grill all settled into place, everything. Time to get it all back together. Then after that, we gotta start looking at our shock mounts in the back because they're not exactly where they need to be now the truck is lowered, but in time being, let's go ahead and throw the fenders, inner fenders, and the hood back on the front end. I got the hood on, but if you see when I bring it down, it comes down, actually hits this fender. It comes down, and to figure out which hinge to fix, look at it this way. The gap is really good up here towards the top. Once you get out here, you can stick your thumb in there. I need to adjust that one outwards. About 3.5 inches there, about the same over here. Actually looks like we have more over here. Let me actually measure that and see. I realized why that side looks way longer. It's because this gap right here is pretty big. The other over there, it's like super close. And honestly, I'm not a big worrier over gaps. The gap looks great all the way up to right there. That's all right. I'm pretty sure this fender is made incorrectly. It's supposed to curve a little bit. The other one does, but that's all right because this door curves in. But then again, this door is off of the, well, I bought it as the later, the 95 and up truck doors. The only differences I knew of is the inner skins aren't the same right here. They're supposed to dip in on the 88 to 94 trucks. And these don't, they come straight across. I had to cut this out of my inner door panel. And that might be different too. I don't know why, but it might be different. I'm not sure. I don't have my old doors anymore, but that's all right. We'll go ahead and adjust this back and should be good then. People, I want to explain something to everybody here. So when you sell a vehicle, don't be a bag and lie about everything. That was really loud. When you sell a vehicle, you need to be honest about things. Not, you know, oh, this vehicle's in great shape, not rusted out like the rest of them. It's a great truck, blah, 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 blah. My dually was sent to me by a couple people because it's for sale again on Facebook Marketplace, right here, okay? $5,000 the guy wants for it. I don't know if you can see it, I'll put it in the video anyway. $5,000. Now to put that in perspective, I got the truck for free in a trade and I sold it for $750 in the exact same shape it is in this picture right now, okay? And I texted the guy and I said, hey, stop telling people that it's rust free. That's not nice. You're gonna piss people off and get somebody hurt. The A-arms broke on it. He goes, this ain't your truck, buddy. We look at the first picture here, all right? We see that it has a black E-coated hood on it, meaning that it's aftermarket, okay? Let's look back at the videos here. Yeah, black hood on it that I put on there, okay? Not to mention the little ball cap on the roof. Let's go to the rear picture here, the back of the truck. What's that? Is that a bent up fender in 2 places? That's right. My truck had a bent up rear bumper in 2 places. Also, the rust spots on here are exactly the same as my truck. Okay, let's get to more convincing things here. All right, so you'll see in this picture that it has a different door panel than my truck had. Come. Yeah, it's got a different door panel because I still have it. So that point proven, rear seat. Now Sam did a really good job of cleaning the truck out, but you can't get everything out, especially stains. I told the guy to send me a picture of the rear seat. The rear passenger seat will have black stains on it. And the picture that I'm gonna put on the screen right now has black stains on it. The engine. I don't even know how to fight this one. That's my engine bay. Is that not my engine bay? Mm-hmm. Okay. Just trying to point that out there and make sure I'm
the same headers.
Make sure I'm not lying. And I asked the guy for pictures of the headliner. And I say that because, let's look at this picture right here. See that orange little thing for the seat belt? Notice how the carpet is discolored there. Notice everything about this, the blue dash. Orange, blue dash, discolored carpet, the same tear right there as my truck had. That's my truck. So anyway, the reason I'm ranting about this is because don't be an asshole and lie to people and then ask $5 grand for a total pile of shit. Cause you're gonna piss somebody off and you're gonna get them into a piece of shit truck that has no floor braces, no brake lines, nothing like that. It's tore to hell, no cab mounts. And now I'm blocked on everything from this guy. So I just want to bring this up to you because people need to stop being assholes. Just be honest when you're selling a vehicle. Don't piss people off. Don't f people over just because you want more money for a total pile of shit. Got it? Good. Okay.
Don't be a marketplace asshole.
They're all If you're wondering why I have the bed jacked up, it's because lower trucks, you need to have a shock relocation bracket, or you don't have to, depends on how low the truck is. And because when you have, you know, your shock like this, it's just gonna work like a cantilever or a lever or something like that. It doesn't really compress. So you get more of an angle on it, it'll actually compress and do its job. So we gotta move that bracket forward. We're gonna have to see how this is gonna work. We might be able to move it forward. We might have to make our own bracket. I'm not 100% sure yet. So I'm gonna cut off the rivets that are in it right now. And if I can actually move it forward, we'll do that. But if not, then we'll just make our own shock mount. It's not that big of a deal.
Don't mind me just changing my exhaust. Like an oil change, you just change your exhaust every once in a while.
I know, every time you've been here, the exhaust has been off of it. You're going to practically useless cherry bomb. You're going to that right there. That dude, you got a sticker. I didn't get stickers with my exhaust. I'm pretty pissed off about that. I paid like 200 bucks for my exhaust, or my mufflers, and I didn't even get a fucking sticker. You paid what, $10?
Yeah.
Probably.
How's that going? Maybe I should just switch this out for Detroit.
I would. Why not?
Because I don't want fucking break every 2 minutes.
You don't want a broken crankshaft all the time? Yo, someone totally shot your rocker one time, way back when. Have you seen this?
No, that was just last Tuesday.
No, for real, have you seen this?
Same guy who tried to take out Jarrett took me out.
Have you seen this? Look at this, dude. Someone so definitely shot your truck.
Yeah, I saw that one there. Okay.
At least I assume that's what it looks like. I don't know. Toss up the concrete. Oh, just yeah, it's not gonna happen. It's gonna bend this thing up, so what's gonna happen?
I came from the mud.